Hi, this is P R Sundar. Yesterday, we have launched a webinar for charity. Within one day, more than 4,000 people have paid the money. This is an extraordinary response. We have already collected close to 50 lakh rupees. In case, if you have not seen the details, you can watch this video and the link is also given below for that video. So you can see the details and you can buy the ticket. Thanks to all those who have subscribed. At this point of time, I would like to appeal to you, if you have the ability to pay one more time, you are encouraged to do it, as the money is going only for charity. So instead of buying one ticket, you may consider 2 or 3 tickets also. And also suggest this to your friends and relatives to sell more tickets. My minimum target is 50 lakhs and I'll be very happy if I can collect 1 crore. And many people, after paying the money, ask a lot of questions to us. So that is why we have decided to do a frequently asked question video. The first question, many people ask me, sir, I paid the money, I have not received any confirmation mail. When we started taking the money, first we have used the payment gateway company called PayUmoney. We were not happy with their services. They did not send confirmation to some clients. Now we are using the payment gateway InstaMojo and they are offering very good services. And anybody doing anything for charity up to 50,000 rupees, they do not even charge any transaction charges. And for us also, they have given some discount on the transaction charges, and because we are doing this for charity. And they also send SMS. But we do not send any confirmation mail as the number of tickets are just too high. Some people said, sir, my payment has failed. So what should I do? In case if your payment has failed, please check your bank account whether the money has been deducted or not. There is a possibility the money deducted from your account and it has come to us, but still the system shows the transaction failed. So if that is the case, you will be receiving a mail from us by 29th with all the details how to join this webinar. In case your money has been deducted from your bank account, you have not got the refund, and if you have not received any mail from us by 29th April, please contact us on 30th of April. We will look into the matter. I said we are going to use the Zoom software, and many people raise concern, and many people said there are some security issues. So therefore what I decided to do, my friend Mr. Vivek Bajaj, who is the founder of ELearn Markets, I decided to seek his help. ELearn Markets is a professional company running a lot of webinars. So I asked him whether he can help me to run the show without any monetary benefit. And because all the money collected will be going for charity, so therefore I cannot afford to pay anything to him. So without any monetary benefit, he has kindly agreed to run the entire show using his platform. I think they are using some other webinar platform called GoToWebinar. So by 28th or 29th, you will receive the mail from ELearn Markets. and giving you all the details how to join the webinar. We have announced timing, date only for 2 or 3 batches. 4th and 5th batch, a lot of people are paying the money without even knowing when the webinar will be conducted. But now they told me that they will do it in one shot, which means there will be only one webinar that will be on May 1st. The timing we will inform you shortly, or you will be getting it in the mail. The next question many people ask me, sir, I am watching the webinar. In case if I forget something, I need to refer again. Can I record the program? The recording our webinar is not legal. But however, ELearn Markets will be having this webinar in their platform forever. So anytime in future you want to log in, you can use the same mail ID and the password given to you. You can log in anytime, you can watch any number of times for your entire lifetime. So therefore there is no need for any recording. So this is an excellent facility offered by ELearn Markets. Some people ask me, sir, I am donating. Will I be getting tax exemption? I am giving you a service. I am conducting a webinar and you are paying for the services. You are not donating. You are paying for the services that you receive. But here, I am the one who is giving the service and I receive money for my services, and that money I decided to donate. So therefore, you will not be able to claim any tax benefit for this payment. And sorry if I have disappointed you. The next question some people ask, sir, I am paying you the fee of 1000 along with the GST of 180 rupees. I am a GST registered person. Can I get GST input credit? So the answer is yes. Whatever GST collected from you, we will be paying to the government. So therefore, you are all eligible to get GST input credit. If you have a GST number, if you want to take GST input credit, you can mail it to us. You can check the mail ID in the description, and we will be able to send you the tax invoice, GST invoice, so that you can claim the GST input credit. There are 1 or 2 people, not many, they called us, they say, sir, we want refund. Please understand, we are already struggling because we are getting thousands of payments and the data collection. It's a very, very huge task that we are doing. You just pay yesterday and today come and ask for refund. What for? And that too you have given only for charity. Probably those 1 or 2 people would have asked for refund because they may not be able to attend the webinar on the specified date. But now, as I told you, even if you cannot attend the webinar on May 1st, you can still log in with the same username and password, can watch the video anytime in future. So I'm sorry to tell you, we will not be able to process your refund request, and hope you understand our problems. Then many people ask one question, sir, you say you are going to donate, to whom you are going to donate? And tell you, most of the people who ask this question, they are not the one who paid the money. They just want to ask unnecessary questions. As I said earlier, I'm giving you the service and I'm receiving the money. So it will be purely my decision to whom I am going to donate. I have not taken any decision yet. But earlier, I have indicated I am inclined to donate 50% to PM Care and the remaining 50% to Tamil Nadu state government. And there are some requests that I buy food for poor people, and in fact there is a canteen run by Tamil Nadu state government called Amma Unavagam. One idli costs 1 rupee, one pongal costs only 5 rupees, and one sambar rice costs only 5 rupees. What some people have done, during this lockdown, the poor people may not have the money. So what these people do, they go and pay certain amount to these canteens and then tell the canteen to serve the food free for the poor people. Some people even suggested, why not a small part of it I do like that. So therefore, I have not decided how much I am going to donate in what ways, but be assured 100% of the money I am receiving will be donated, and I will be putting it in the public media also, where I have donated, how much I have donated. But the final decision, it's with me. So people cannot question that. The last question, actually not many people ask me this question. I just wanted to tell you. My webinar will be for a maximum of 2 to 3 hours. There I'll be touching on various topics. For some time I may tell about my story, how I came up, and then some general topics like how you manage the risk and so on. And definitely, as most of you are expecting, I will teach one strategy at least, options trading strategy. Which strategy I do not want to disclose now. I want to keep it surprising. But at the same time, you must understand, whatever I am discussing, if you go to Google, you will be able to find. But what makes the difference? And people say, successful people, they don't do different things, but they do things differently. The strategy that I might be discussing, you may be able to find anywhere, but even in that strategy, what difference that we will make it. So that you will find it interesting. Until then, keep guessing what strategy I am going to discuss. Many people also ask me, is there any prerequisite to attend my webinar? Almost half of my webinar I'll be talking about stories only, general topics only. So you don't need anything. It will be a kind of inspirational things, etc., etc. But when it comes to strategy, if you want to understand what strategy I'm teaching, you just need to know the basics of options. You should know at least what is put option and what is call option. And buyer pay only the premium money, seller pay the margin money. At least those basic informations you should know, and then I can take it from there. If there are any more queries, you can ask us through email, through Twitter, and if required, we may come out with another video. Otherwise, we will answer your queries individually. Thank you.